Alright, I got my Crossfire V4 15. It's a D1. Fold these. Got another one upstairs. It's the hybrid stitch leads, whatever you want to call them. It's time to let this one go. As far as I know of, I'm not sure if there's something wrong with it or not. I just rather change it out. But see how well this plays out. Damn. Tripped the breaker. Alright, round two. Shit, this cord is kind of warm already. Too much power. Fuck. Alright, I guess it's gonna be fucking round three. Fuck me. Alright, I got a different extension cord on a different breaker. The one I was using was going to my master bedroom. So all my shit's off inside the room. Let's try this circuit breaker and see what happens. Fucking shit. I don't even know if this motherfucker's hot or not yet. It's a little toasty. Damn, it's still holding on. Alright, try again. Here we go again. This is V4. God damn it. Here we go again. Here we go again. Alright, I'm gonna have to fucking series parallel this fucking shit. Alright, I had to series parallel this shit, so let's see what happens. That is fucking gay. Alright, so we're gonna try one coil. Couldn't do series. We're gonna do one coil at a time and I guess see what happens from there. Alright, got one coil dead. Had to swap it around. Let's see how long this one's gonna last. It took a lot at 0.5 for a while. Now it's at 1 ohm since it's the D1.